All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? Today, I am in a 2018 Ford F-150. Great vehicle. I'm going to show you where all the cup holders are and slushy holders are and hidden compartments are located in this vehicle. Okay? All right, I'm going to start on the left-hand side. Do you see down there? I can put some things down in there, a couple cups in there, hide some things in there. I'm going to move towards the center. And there are two cup holders right here. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna move over here. This is the glove compartment. Okay, hide some stuff in there. Two more slushies down in there. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna move up right here. Sunglasses compartment. Pretty cool. All right, now there is also what is this guy doing? He's just like staring at me. There's also, like if I lay down the middle seat right here, all right, I'm gonna take this and